Sands Missile Range mission is to safely conduct missile and rocket flight tests. The Applied Environments Test Branch at White Sands Missile Range subjects missile equipment to a variety of environmental tests prior to missile flight testing. White Sands Missile Range has 2 remote dynamic test facilities. Each facility consists of several test bays and a control center, and are certified to accommodate explosive test articles.
4, 3, 2, 1.
The typical test process involves the collection of shock and vibration data from test hardware under normal operating conditions. Extensive data processing and analysis techniques are used to derive laboratory test spectra, which are entered into a computer-based vibration control systems. The control systems provide the drive signals for sine, random, or mixed mode vibration. Vibration environments are then simulated using electrodynamic shakers. Many test configurations can be accommodated. Large items can be tested using multiple vibration exciters. Large forces, heavy items, or multiple degree of freedom excitation tests can be performed. There are 12 18,000-pound force electrodynamic exciters available, 4 of which have a 2-inch displacement capability. All exciters have a frequency range of 5 to 2,000 Hertz. Vibration control systems are available for simultaneously controlling up to 8 shakers. White Sands Missile Range has performed vibration tests on a variety of test items. Test items have ranged from missiles weighing over 4,000 pounds to small automotive parts weighing only a few ounces. Test items can also be subjected to combined environmental conditions such as vibration temperature, vibration altitude, or simultaneous vibration altitude and temperature. A 3-axis electrodynamic vibration system is available to produce vibration in 3 simultaneous directions. The system is capable of testing a 100-pound test item 10 Gs peak over a frequency bandwidth of 5 to 500 Hertz. Only a few 3-degree of freedom vibration systems exist worldwide. 2 loose cargo test machines are available for package bounce testing. They are used to simulate unsecured cargo being transported in a vehicle bed. Each machine has a 6,000-pound capacity. Extensive test equipment is available for simulating the different types of shock environments. Shock test equipment is sized to handle large test items weighing over 5,000 pounds.
12, 34, 50.
Shock tests can be performed with package drop test machines, shock test machines, electrodynamic exciters, resonant beams, fixtures, a Navy hammer lightweight shock hammer, a pendulum impact machine, and railroad hardware at the Rail Impact Test Facility at Fort Bliss, Texas. With the available test equipment, a wide range of shock test specifications, having extremely high acceleration levels up to 100,000 Gs, can be achieved with our own specially designed resonant beams and fixtures. The high G level excitation can be achieved through metal-to-metal impact or the use of explosive charges. Other dynamic test equipment includes a centrifuge with a 108-inch arm. It is used to subject test articles to constant acceleration tests up to 200 Gs. Items weighing up to 300 pounds can be tested. 2 horizontal static firing thrust stands are available for test firing solid propellant rocket motors. Rocket motors, which produce thrust forces up to 100,000 pounds, can be accommodated. Other propulsion-related tests supported include rocket motor case burst tests, igniter tests, safe and arm device tests, and other electro-explosive device tests. Extensive instrumentation is available for the measurement of the various propulsion ballistic parameters, to include the recording of firing voltages, firing currents, thermal transients, strain, acceleration, velocity, displacement, pressure, temperature, and thrust data. Extensive facilities and test instrumentation allows for unique climatic test environments to be produced to satisfy customer requirements. Test capabilities include solar radiation, temperature shock, sand and dust, rain, humidity, salt fog, snow, leakage immersion, and altitude tests. The temperature test facility houses one of the largest climatic test chambers in the United States and is the only chamber of its size approved for explosive test articles. The large chamber's dimensions are 40 feet wide by 50 feet high and over 100 feet long. This test facility houses 3 multi-purpose chambers. The large and small test chambers have the capability to perform high and low temperature, freezing rain, snow loading, and solar radiation tests, while the third chamber is configured to perform salt fog, humidity, and high temperature tests. High-altitude environments are simulated using a wide range of available equipment. The large vacuum chamber located at the high-energy laser system facility can simulate altitudes up to 600,000 feet at ambient temperature. The chamber is designed to handle items as large as 15 feet in diameter by 30 feet in length, having a payload weight of 25 tons. Smaller chambers are also available and can simulate temperature-altitude environments. Several portable chambers are used for extreme high and low temperature conditioning at customer locations. Mobile chambers range in size from 2 feet cubed to large chambers that measure 60 feet long by 16 feet wide by 16 feet high. Several field conditioning units are available to create temperature environments that range from minus 65 to plus 180 degrees Fahrenheit.